Hello, trading is closed on July 17th, 2018. My call for today said that the most likely occurrence was we gapped and promptly traded outside Monday's range. Looked for a pattern with the early high, late high. Said that didn't preclude gapping down first. During the day, MEJT said during this big up move, it said here lower prices ultimately would print. They did, but it said they were false, they wouldn't stick, and that we would retrace and overtake this high, which we did. Rallying all day is a positive pattern, but it's not so positive when you reject all these highs and close under them. Time hasn't run out. We could still gap and probably take these highs out tomorrow. But if we don't, the rejection of the high should lead to lower prices, whether or not we close there. Now, what the count is, I say many ways to count this, but if that's 5 waves up, and that's 1, and that's 3, and that's 5, 5 is exactly 38.2% of 1. This high is also a fib target of the prior consolidation. Here's your 38.2, here's your 50. To measure from the all-time high, you get 59 points down in 118 trading days. That's a 2x1 Gann fan. From this high is a 1x1 Gann fan, so we have resistance from that. So we have a rally to resistance at the fib target and inability to hold on to all these gains. Futures are up as I'm recording this, and whether or not they'll keep going up and take this out, I don't know. If they take it out, we're awfully close to my 28, 23, 28, 24 target for the end of this move, at which point purple C will be equal to purple A, but it doesn't have to equal there exactly. We're getting awfully close. But if we can't clear this early, I look for lower prices tomorrow, whether or not we close lower, and that's today's call.